ever heard someone say that you need a massive deposit to buy a property? Or maybe that it's pointless investing now because interest rates are too high? Well, not everything you hear about real estate is true. In fact, some of the most common myths are the very things stopping people from achieving financial freedom through property. In today's video, we'll break down the biggest real estate myths that circulate in the UK market and reveal the facts that every serious investor needs to know, so you can make smart, confident decisions about your next investment. Welcome to Chrissantus Investment Limited, where our mission is to invest in and manage sustainable property assets, empower communities through environmentally responsible practices, and drive growth with innovative digital marketing. If you believe that property investment should build wealth and make a positive impact, make sure to subscribe because this channel is built for you. Myth number 1. You need a huge deposit to buy a property. This myth stops more aspiring investors than any other. Many people still believe you need a 20% or 25% deposit to get onto the property ladder. But the truth is that's not always the case. In the UK today, several lenders offer mortgages with 5% to 10% deposits, particularly for first-time buyers or investors using government-backed schemes. The average first-time buyer deposit in 2025 is around £34,500, which is roughly 13% of the average UK property price. That's not small money, but it's far more achievable than the old 20% rule people talk about. What really matters isn't just how big your deposit is, but how strong your financial profile is. Your credit score, income stability, and ability to show consistent savings will all influence how much you can borrow. So don't let the big deposit myth discourage you. Start with what you have, learn how financing works, and you'll be surprised how quickly the door to ownership opens. Fact: you don't need a fortune to start. You need a financial plan and discipline. Myth number 2. Interest rates are too high, so it's not worth investing now. This one's been making headlines for the past year. Yes, interest rates have risen from the historic lows we saw in 2020 and 2021. The Bank of England's base rate now sits around 5.25%, and that has made borrowing more expensive. But here's what most people don't realize. When rates rise, property prices often stabilize or even dip slightly. That means you can find properties at better value, negotiate harder, and build equity from a lower entry point. Smart investors understand that interest rates are part of a cycle. What goes up eventually comes down. If you buy at a good price now, you can remortgage at a lower rate later and benefit from capital appreciation when the market rises again. Meanwhile, rents are at record highs, averaging £1,343 per month nationwide and climbing faster than inflation in most regions. That means investors who buy and rent today are still seeing solid cash flow. Fact: waiting for perfect conditions often costs more than acting strategically right now. Myth number 3. You don't need an agent or consultant. Just do it yourself. This myth sounds empowering, but it's usually a shortcut to stress and mistakes. Yes, you can buy or sell property on your own, but the process involves legal, financial, and negotiation challenges that most first-time buyers underestimate. A professional agent or property consultant brings knowledge of local markets, access to off-market listings, and the ability to spot red flags before you commit your money. At Chrissantus Investment, we go even further, combining property expertise with digital marketing and sustainability insights, helping investors not only buy well, but grow long-term value. When you partner with experts, you're not just paying for service, you're paying for experience that protects your investment. Fact, the right experts don't cost you money. They save you from losing it. Myth number 3. You don't need an agent or consultant. Just do it yourself. This myth sounds empowering, but it's usually a shortcut to stress and mistakes. Yes, you can buy or sell property on your own, but the process involves legal, financial, and negotiation challenges that most first-time buyers underestimate. A professional agent or property consultant brings knowledge of local markets, access to off-market listings, and the ability to spot red flags before you commit your money. At Chrissantus Investment, we go even further, combining property expertise with digital marketing and sustainability insights, helping investors not only buy well, but grow long-term value. When you partner with experts, you're not just paying for service, you're paying for experience that protects your investment. Fact, the right experts don't cost you money. They save you from losing it.